In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate from a Google search to the Binance spot trading page and reach the Buy BNB panel for the BNB USDT pair. I'll keep it clear and practical, while adding helpful context so each click makes sense. As always, this is educational content, not financial advice, and you should only trade what you can afford to risk. We'll begin right from a search engine. Type Binance into Google and open the official Binance website. Before you proceed, double-check that the address bar shows the correct domain with a secure connection. Look for the lock icon and the HTTPS prefix, and make sure you're on the genuine Binance.com site. This small habit helps protect you from phishing pages and keeps your account safe. If you plan to use Binance often, consider bookmarking the official homepage for quick, reliable access next time. Once you're on the Binance homepage, head to the main navigation and select Trade. This is your doorway to the exchange interface, where you can view markets and place orders. Interface layouts can change slightly over time or vary by region, but you're looking for the trade option on the top menu. If you don't see it right away, hover over the trading-related items until you find the one labeled Trade. From there, choose Spot. Spot trading is the simplest way to buy and sell crypto for immediate settlement using your available balance. It's different from margin or derivatives because you're exchanging the actual asset without borrowing or leverage. If your goal is a straightforward purchase, Spot is exactly where you want to be. Inside the Spot interface, look for the market pair selector and navigate to BNB USDT. USDT is a stablecoin commonly used as a quote currency, and in this pair, you're trading BNB as the base asset priced in USDT. If the list is long, use the search field to type BNB and select the BNB USDT pair. When you click it, the chart and order panel will switch to that market. Now, go to the order panel and click on Buy BNB. This opens the purchase side for the BNB USDT market. Here you'll see options like Market and Limit. Market buys BNB at the current available price, while Limit lets you set a specific price. Before submitting any order, review the amount, fees, and total. Ensure you have sufficient USDT in your spot wallet and confirm everything looks correct. That's it. You've navigated from a Google search to the Binance Spot interface, selected BNB USDT, and opened the Buy BNB panel. Stay secure, trade carefully, and keep learning as you go.